Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBird143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. This video I will show you how to add comments on Facebook. Suppose we are posting something related to our business and we want to take suggestions from our customers. In Facebook, this is possible by allowing our customers to post their comments about their experience with our business or post, and these comments will also appear on their Facebook profile. Also, I want to log in to my friends book. From there, I want to add a comment to the post made by me. To comment about this post, click on comment below the post or click in the box that says write a comment and type our comment here. If we want, we can also comment by including a GIF file, emojis, photos or videos, and also a sticker. In comments, if you want to enter a person's name, type the name with a capitalized first letter and select a name from the list that appears. Also, we can mention a page or group in this comment field. For that, type @ and then pages or groups name and select the name from the list that appears. One thing, remember that whenever we mention a person, page or group, a link is created, and depending on the privacy settings of that person, page or group, the link will be displayed to the audience. For example, if you mention a secret group, only that group's members can see the link and they will get a notification, and the post or comment may appear on their timeline. And to create a new paragraph or line break within a comment, holding the shift key on your keyboard, hit enter and we will continue our comment. After adding our comment, simply hit enter to publish it. Now let's check in our Facebook. We will get a notification. Open a commented on your photo. To see the comment, click on this notification and we will be directed to the post with the comment below this post. If you want, we can reply to this comment. Again hit enter. Then they will get a notification. Nageshwar Gaud Menchu replied to your comment on this photo. To check the reply, simply they need to click on this. And the sender want to edit his comment. He need to click on 3 dots next to his comment, and from the options he can select to edit or delete. Let's select to edit. Again he will come to comment field and edit it and hit enter, and the edited comment will again posted into the comment section. Similarly, if the sender want to delete or hide the comment, click on 3 dots next to the sender. From the options we can select to delete or hide comment. Let's delete it, and notice that if we delete this comment, it will also remove the reply we have given. Normally in Facebook, when we create a public post, by default everyone can comment, even people who are not following us. So while posting in Facebook, we can use the audience selector to choose who can comment on it. Like this, we can add the comments on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.